Howdy. Two stones, rocks, in a way similar. They are layered, they have bands of quartz. They seem to be both being vitrified clay. And they are very, very beautiful. So now they are rather big, I don't know, a ton or something, or more. This might be more than a ton. So let me show you something funny about rock solid evidence. Alright, now let's go to the other one. This kind of rock is a very big portion of Finland's bedrock. This is how Finnish bedrock sounds if you have the possibility to listen to it. Isn't that interesting? Thanks. Bye.